Hey guys, so the Jazz needs to get its oil changed, so I'm gonna clean the engine before anyone touches it, just so I have a reference of how dirty or clean they work. So I'm gonna take you along with me. Let's go. We're just gonna need a few things, something to clean it with. Here we have Gyeon Bug and Grime, and then to finish it off, we're gonna try Gyeon Preserve that I mix 1:5 in this bottle. Just some fibrous brushes, a watermark remover just in case, and then we're gonna use our blower to dry. That's it. Oh, we need water. I don't know if you can see, but there's still some mineral deposits, so we're gonna try and use the watermark remover. So I've put a few dabs on here. Let me just wipe this down. See if that's working. So actually working. I'm not sure if you can see. Look. Look at that. Much better. Here's before. That thing is called a GST eraser gel. And yes, it is erasing the hell out of the watermarks. Significant improvement. Make sure to rinse it out so that you neutralize the acid thing. They should work with any watermark remover that's acid based. So make sure it's cool and dry. Our engine is now clean. It's time to blow dry. Next step is we're just gonna use where we need it. So all the black trims here will get sprayed. This is not a very good atomizer. Still gonna clean the car afterwards, so. Then we're gonna turn on the blower again and blow it out. Next, get yourself a towel just to lightly level off any dressing. Looking good. I think we're done. Looks fantastic. Very important. Take out this. There you have it, folks. Clean engine.